What's up, guys? It is your boy FastLaneD, and today we got my 2011 Harley Davidson V-Rod Muscle out, baby. Check out the new eyes on it. If you missed my last video, make sure you go check it out. She is looking good, but you guys know what time it is. The cold start. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, boy. Hey, hey, hey. Woo! I be sounding too good up in here, baby. Wait, let's check out the new eyes, though. Oh, man, that looks so much better than that stock headlight. All right, let's ride, baby. Look at that big old juicy booty in the back, baby. Man, I love this bike. Getting sideways. Oh, there's nothing like cold tires. Slip and slide out here, baby. Now we're on our way to meet up with my buddy who just got his first street bike. He's had dirt bikes before, but never a street bike. And he got a Harley Davidson Iron. Wow. Come on, dude. We got the Iron. Oh, man. What's going on? It's just a normal helmet.
I like yours.
I appreciate it, man. It needs to be clean. It's dirty, but
What kind of set though, dude?
this one's a V-Rod Muscle.
It's clean, ain't it? Yeah, it's yours.
Yeah, she's a big girl, man. She needs to go on a diet.
Did yours come with them pipes on it?
Yeah.
So it was already loud.
Oh, yeah. Real loud.
Yours got a fuel gauge?
Yeah.
That's fucked up.
You.
That was crazy. I got one. He was like, you got one too?
Hey, how the fuck I got a 2020?
I know, he ain't got no fuel gauge on it.
I told Camille when I first got this thing, you see me about kill myself, didn't you?
Yeah, I got it on video too. So I was recorded. Yeah, I got it. I want to send you the footage.
I need to see it, man, because like, I hadn't rode a bike since I was 11.
Yeah.
So I was like, man, I knew I was good, but then like now, I mean, you can't even tell that ever even happened. Like,
That's good though. That's what you want. Yeah.
I just had to get the jitterbugs out.
Exactly. Yeah, he was real nervous, man. He was like, man, how you shift? It's one down. I was like, oh, he's nervous, man. Hey, sit on it.
I told him, I was like, I'll see if I get a cruise and sell this one. And I was like, man, I can't do that. That changed all my mind.
If I had to get another one, I'd probably get. Do it look too big for me?
No.
Nah, it looks just right.
You
switch cameras.
I'm all back road, man. Cause
Nah, there ain't nothing to be scared of, man. This thing is sweet though.
I like yours because like, and I might.
Always knock my
Yours might be like a newer version of it.
Yeah.
What I go for.
Well, mine, they don't even make this anymore, man.
They don't.
They stopped making them like 2016, 2017. I like the rear tire on it. That's what really made me want to get it. Look at that big old juicy booty in the back, baby. 40 on there, man. No. If you saw my other bike, you would. This is nothing compared to the other one.
Damn, you can ride with tires like that?
I know. I need to get a new one
If
bad.
you're on a slick surface, it'll.
Yeah. On the way over here, I slid it a little bit. I'll do it when we go. It's fun.
You ain't scared?
No.
How long have you been riding though?
This fall will be 6 years.
That's why you ain't afraid.
Yeah, no, it's been a while, and I commuted on one for a while too when I was in college.
Did you?
Yeah, that's all I had was a bike. Keep going. Oh, bad. Yeah, you saw that burnout. That's what you saw me at the dealership the other day.
The tread on the left side.
Oh, there's nothing.
It says stop.
There's nothing. But to replace both, they quoted me at $100, like $100 each just to install.
How much is it?
That back tire is about $400 because I want to get a bigger one.
Yeah.
That's somebody had on mine before. You see how it's burnt there?
Yeah.
I had something stupid on the back of there. Like, why don't you put anything bigger on there?
I know. I want to get something thicker.
Yeah.
I need a front tire, but they quoted it was like $800 for tire. I'm like, I've never paid that. Not even on the R1 have I paid that much for tires. I was like, I'll come back. Yeah, I know. That's exactly what I said. I'll see you later, man.
I mean, if y'all don't worry about me, like I may not go as fast as y'all.
Yeah.
Like I'm gonna go fast, but not as y'all. I'm just gonna be understanding. Y'all just ride. I'll follow them. You ain't gonna
be chilling in the back.
I'm good once I get on the I feel comfortable, but like y'all just ride.
Oh man, all right.
And then you gotta show me my mishap, man. I'm nervous as hell.
I'm gonna get you on that first takeoff.
I'm nervous as shit.
Cause I walked in and then they were worried too. They're like, man, call him and make sure he gets home safe.
I went back up there the next day and they started laughing. They said, you gotta say, man, I hadn't rode since I was 11.
Exactly.
I used to ride dirt bikes and shit.
Yeah.
So
he said you took off on it like it was a dirt bike. Yeah.
That's what I did.
He was like revving it like this.
Yeah. So I told him when I got ready to pull out that street, I stuck that foot down and they said the whole bike came up. I was like,
Sounds like you told me to put his foot down. I'm like, don't do that.
but see, in dirt bikes and shit, that's what we be doing.
Exactly. All right, we out here, baby. I'm pumped for this Sunday fun day. We got my boy Hawk on his new Iron 883. I'm talking to the camera. We got Camille on the 300 up there, and then we got Connor, y'all know Connor, on the CBR. We got the squad, baby. I'm excited that we got Connor out here. I'm also pumped. We got a lady rider, which is awesome. So it's Hawk's first time on the highway. If you even call this road a highway, but so we're taking it somewhat easy. I don't think I've ever gone this slow on this road before. But I want to make sure that he's good. I remember my first time riding on the highway, and it was definitely a little intimidating, but it's also fun because you get to go a little bit quicker than what you're used to.
I'm scared to hit it.
Exactly. It felt good? Hell yeah.
I told you, I ain't gonna let y'all get too far.
First time on the highway. Check. It's so cool to see riders go through this stuff. Connor out here trying to have some fun, man. No sir, I can't let you get away. Said I can't let you get away. Alright, if you just get a bike, you're probably gonna ride with some buddies that have been riding for a little bit. My thing is, don't try and keep up. Just always ride your own ride. Because I've seen it happen too many times where people try and keep up and it never ends up good. Ever. And that bike that he got is a pretty sweet bike. The Iron 883. Like I said, I'm a sport bike guy. I'm not a Harley guy. So, but that's a pretty sweet one. Oh, oh, that scared the hell out of me. I was not ready for that. Like, it doesn't seem that loud when you're on the bike, because I've flown past people, but they said I scared the hell out of them. Because the R1's very loud when you're behind it. When you're on it, it's really not that bad. But no, this is what it's about, man. Finding some friends that you may not hang out with, and just going for a ride. Like friends you may not hang out with on a normal basis, and just going out for a cruise. Like there's nothing like being on two wheels with a squad and just enjoying everything out here. But man, him getting his first bike reminds me so much of when I got mine. My first bike was a CBR Honda F4i, and that thing was a piece of, it was not nearly as nice as his bike is. Hey, there's a Porsche Harley squad. We're friends, right? You can go, I mean, I consider this a Porsche. I mean, if people ask, yeah, I drive a Porsche. A 2011 Harley Davidson V ride a muscle, baby. Ooh wee. So we got Connor. Woo. We got Camille on the Ninja 300. We got my boy Hawk, baby, on his new Iron 883. Now he looks good on it, man. I don't know why he was worried about it being too small. We're about to hit some twisty roads, and I want to see how he handles these turns as a new rider. I don't know if he's ready for what he's about to hit. We kind of warned him, but it'll be good practice. There's nothing like getting to know your bike, like getting on some twisty roads. I'm sure Connor's going to take off once we hit these twisties, but I'm so glad that he decided to get a bike though. I know when you're looking to buy your first bike, everyone is like, why are you buying a motorcycle? Your family's going to say that, your friends are going to say that. No one's going to be hyped that you're getting a motorcycle unless they already have a motorcycle, because they've been through that process and they understand what it's like to go against what everyone else says, calling them death machines, etc, etc. And if you don't have a motorcycle and someone tells you they ride and the first thing you have to say is, oh man, I had a friend that died, look, I don't give a shit. Also, that's like me when you tell me that you just bought a car, you being like, man, I had a friend that died in a car accident. Every single time you mention that you're gonna drive somewhere in your car, that shit just gets annoying and it gets old after a while. Yes, I know the risk of riding. We take precautions to save ourselves out here. I don't need you to give me a lecture, and you never been on a motorcycle before. All right, here we go. Twisties. Woo! Let's get my bald ass tires warm. Does this actually do anything? Someone comment down below and let me know if this actually does something beneficial for the bike, because I could be doing it for no reason, but it is actually a lot of fun too. Oh man, no wave. That's fine, you know, I'll bring it back in.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just...
I think we're gonna try and get that car some room. Oh, I'd love to do a track day. Should I do it with a V-Rod? Can you imagine me bringing this out to the track? That'd be so much fun. I wonder if there's regulations against that. If it was like a track that had a lot of turns on it, I think the Harley could hold its own, honestly. But if there was like tracks with some big straights, I mean, this thing can only do so much. It's not built for those top speeds. What? You wanna go back there? All right, let's check it out. Y'all wanna go? I don't know. I'm gonna take it out. I'll bring it back. I don't want Hawk to drop his bike. I thought he wanted us to walk back here. I didn't know he meant ride the bike. I don't know if he realizes how big this thing is. V-Rod goes off-road viral. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, this is dope. This is cool. Only thing we're missing. Oh, you already know. Hulk mode engaged. Just listen to that rumble in here. Oh, I love this bike, man. I really do. Not sketchy at all. Hey guys, first time riding with us. Let's go on this dirt road into a cave. Seems safe. Looks like they had like a little fire pit back here. Little rolling burnout. BLM, baby. They're probably like, what the hell did y'all just do back there? Some drugs!
Lexington cops have a policy.
They can't.
They're not supposed to chase you. They have chased me and some homies before. But when I gap them hard, bro. I'm a 200-mile-an-hour runner. I don't have a license plate on here, bro. I don't run a license plate. Yeah, I ride around with the finger up. I'm like, go ahead, get my license plate. Oh.
So we picked up a ZX10, Chris on the ZX10. Are you about to ride up the shaker real quick? Woo-hoo-hoo. Squad, that's the cool thing about riding, man. You literally just meet random people out here and you're instantly buddies because you ride. It's so gorgeous out. Oh my goodness. Views on views on views. Comment down below who said that. Oh, we got the DRZ boys coming up, man. The Hooligans. I said you was gone. We turned the corner, both of y'all were gone. I was cracking up. Woo! Sunday cruise with the squad. You can't beat it, man. You cannot beat it. Let's see if we scare the shit out of Connor. Peace! If the V-Rock gets it though. There he goes.